Hello and welcome, this is Jit Dolakia and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. Temperatures tumbled as a preview of winter weather began moving in Friday, leaving some areas like Houghton, Michigan, home to Michigan Technological University and located in the Upper Peninsula of the state, looking like a winter wonderland, and forecasters say that over the weekend, snow could fall across several states. After residents of many cities in north-central United States basked in temperatures well above normal to start the month, a snapback to reality occurred on Thursday. In many locations, temperatures were 10 to 15 degrees lower as compared to Wednesday. This meant temperatures went from near normal to well below normal. The cold will lay the groundworks for some wintry precipitation that may make some scratch their heads and wonder what season it is anyway. An area of low pressure diving out of western Canada was unleashing rain and snow showers on parts of the north and central US on Friday. By Friday night, as colder air plunges southward, the rain once again mixed with change to snow across more of the region. Snow across the US will begin Friday night across western Montana into northern Wyoming as cold air surged down and east slopes of the Canadian Rockies into the western high plains, stated AccuWeather senior meteorologist. Although some areas had snow back in September, that wintry blast was largely confined to the higher elevations. This time, larger cities such as Glasgow, that Great Falls, Montana are in line for their first snowflakes of the season. Not only will the first snow be seen, but that snow is also likely to accumulate. Locations like Minot, North Dakota may also see the first snowflakes and accumulation of the season. It will likely take until Saturday for snow to accumulate in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Snowflakes may even fly as far south as Fargo, North Dakota, but accumulation is not likely in that area. In any locations that do pick up accumulating snow, it may not melt quickly either. Regardless of where snow may fall, the unseasonable chill is certain to impact the northern Rockies, northern plains and upper Midwest for much of the upcoming week, especially during the first half of the week. Snow is expected to redevelop in Montana and North Wyoming on Saturday as yet another disturbance will arrive across the region, as the first system is expected to lift into northern Michigan and southern Canada. And the wintry hills will keep on coming according to AccuWeather meteorologist. A third round of snow is likely to develop by Saturday night. Not certain at this time how far east snow may fall by Monday, but many more cities could have their first snow early next week, especially if a storm system strengthens. The computer model that meteorologists use to help them to make forecasts are at odds as to whether or not this will happen. As Pacific storms push across the northwest and into the Great Plains, snow may continue to streak across the north-central states into the northern Great Lakes. Some of the computer models depict a swath of snow from Chicago to just north of Detroit on Monday and Monday night. The average first accumulating snow is on November 16th and November 15th in Chicago and Detroit respectively. However, both cities picked up their first accumulating snow on 12th October back in 2006, so it is not unheard to have accumulating snow by the middle of October. Next week, Green Bay, Wisconsin may be added to the snow list as yet another weather system is predicted to eject eastward from the plains. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Jit Dolakia. For more weather updates like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.